I'm gonna head out of the boardwalk and go to Epcot for the afternoon. Hello. Thank you. You too. Okay, so I made it into Epcot. The first lightning lane that I have is Frozen. I'm gonna try to do Remy's on the way out of World Showcase, but we'll see what happens. First up is Frozen, and then after that, we're headed to Guardians. Well, that is always such a fun ride to do. I love Frozen and the gang. I love Olaf. He reminds me of my son. I don't know why. Maybe because he's so squishy and cuddly. But now we're going to head to Guardians of the Galaxy. Oh man, Guardians is always such a fun ride. I rode it by myself, obviously, so this time I was paired with somebody who has never ridden on it. Oh my gosh, I think between the two of us we broke the sound decibels because we were screaming so loud, but it made it so much fun. I just love that ride so much. So I'm taking a little bit of break over here where the new Encanto show is, and I'm gonna sit for a second, and then I'm gonna go and ride Figment, and then I'm going to go and ride Spaceship Earth. Okay, I just got off of Figment. Man, that ride definitely needs some love. Half of it was broken. I just got out of the new DVC lounge, so that was cool to experience for the first time. And I'm gonna go and head to Spaceship Earth. So I just got off Spaceship Earth. That is such a classic ride. You almost have to ride it when you go to Epcot. My kids don't like it because they think it's boring and it's not very fast. But like I said, it's a classic ride. Have to ride it every time that we go to Epcot. So now I'm just exhausted and I am probably gonna head back through World Showcase and then I'm gonna go back to the room, take it easy, and then have dinner reservations at Topolino's. Oh my gosh, guys, I have to tell you what just happened. I totally had a Kevin moment. Kevin! Totally freaked out looking for my kids. For a moment there, I totally forgot that I was alone. People were looking at me. The poor cast member was freaking out, thinking there was something wrong with me. So, my goodness, even though I know that I've been alone this entire day, I still freak out because I don't know where my kids are. What are you gonna do? Well, everybody, that's going to do it. I hope that you enjoyed following along with me. If you like this content, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel. Leave me a comment on what you think that I should do my next time that I'm alone in Epcot. And I will see you all real soon. Bye, friends.